So in today's video, I want to talk about 5 hidden biases about affiliate marketing in Nigeria. Lots of people want to get into the business, but there are lots of things that people have and they think and they believe about affiliate marketing that it's not right. All right, let's get started. Welcome to my channel, Aksaka Cheche. In this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. So please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this one. First, many people think that affiliate marketing is about expert near, right? So if you don't know what expert near is an affiliate marketing platform here in Nigeria. So what it does is it connects people who create digital products to people who buy them, and of course does that through their affiliate program. Okay, so there are lots of affiliate programs globally, locally. There's Share Sale, there's Amazon, FBA, there's CJ, there's Impact, there are lots of amazing stuff. All right, so Expert Near is just one affiliate platform here in Nigeria. There are lots of and tons of other ones that you could look into, other affiliate programs that you could sign up for. For instance, so when you get into the website of a particular company or business, you simply scroll down to the footer, or like so, and you look over it. So if you see over here, awesome, so there's an affiliate program offered by Bluehost. Bluehost is an amazing web hosting company. So whatever platform you use, mostly softwares, if you just scroll to the footer, the base of the website, you could find if they have an affiliate program or not. And if it is not listed, you could reach out to the company and ask them if they have an affiliate program. 2, affiliate marketing is a referral business. All right, now although this is correct in a way, some people say it with reference to MLMs, or MLM stands for multi-level marketing. You know, this business is where you have to get someone to be paid and all blah blah blah. So, and of course, because it's been used as a front for many scams that have happened on the online business front, many people now avoid it like it's a plague. All right, so now, yes, affiliate marketing is a referral business, but not in the sense of an MLM. Let me explain. Now, if for instance, I find a business who is into travel and I have a friend who plans to travel, I could recommend the business to my friend, and then when he purchases their services or their products, the company pays me commissions. All right, so that is simply affiliate marketing. It's not it's not MLM, all right, and it's not a scam. Affiliates sell different things. It could be products, services, lots of amazing stuff. Okay, sometimes you could even get paid based on getting leads, you know, for 3, affiliate marketing is a Ponzi scheme and the new online scam. All right, no, I totally get this a lot now, because there has been so much instances of people getting scammed online. All right, and so most times, because of the new wave in the digital marketing space here in Nigeria, many people believe or think that it's the new Ponzi scheme. All right, because most times affiliates post results, but then they don't post the work. All right, they don't put they don't show you the efforts, they just show you the results and the payments. So people feel like, okay, this is a Ponzi scheme and they're asking me to get in. So you get questions like all right, so Coach Uchina, if I happen to invest the sum of 60k in this business, what would my returns? Chill, calm down. This is not an investment business. This is a real business. So if you want to build your affiliate marketing business, then understand that it's not a Ponzi scheme and it's not an online scam. 4, I don't know how to sell, so I can't do it. This is totally understandable. I mean, when I started out on the online marketing space, I felt this way too. All right, but here's the thing. Now I understood that sales is a skill that can be learned, just like every other skill. All right, so I put in the effort because I knew this is a great skill to have. All right, and I understood I have big ambitions and that this could help me reach my ambitions and my goals. So I went back, I sat back, and I got resources and I learned how to do it, and it's working for me. All right, so you don't need to know how to sell to start an affiliate marketing business. You will learn this on your way. Now, in addition, many affiliate platforms and businesses offer guides. Now, these businesses want you to make success, they want you to make money, and of course, this is because it's a win-win they're creating for everyone. All right, you're making money and they're making money because you're helping them sell their products and their services. All right, so they are always open, they want to help you to succeed, so they will always provide resources for you. Okay, you just have to ask. For instance, this is an affiliate handbook by TUBEBUDDY. TUBEBUDDY is an amazing search engine optimization tool for YouTubers. All right, so this is the affiliate program, and I was offered this handbook. All right, so you will get this from lots and lots of amazing affiliate programs. You can even reach out to them if you need anything, and of course they will reply. And that is because they understand that your success is their success. 5, it doesn't work. It didn't work for me. Now, I get this sometimes. I see people who try to leave very hurtful, negative comments on Facebook ads run by affiliates, and it doesn't make sense. I mean, come on. Okay, this is a business, and like every other business, it requires building. So you need to have your foundations right. Okay, now for you to get success, for you to make success as an affiliate, you need several things. You need to understand that people will buy your products if they know you have it. So for instance, let's say 100 persons see your product and then you make one sale. The only thing that makes sense for you to do is to put it in front of more people to get more sales. All right, but some people don't make this effort. They don't put in the efforts. They feel that it's just going to come to them that way. And of course, when it doesn't come, they start to say and tell others that this is scam, it's a Ponzi scheme, run away from affiliate marketing, and all whatnot. That doesn't make sense, right? If it doesn't work for you, find out what works for others, find out what they're doing, and you do that. Okay, so like I said, for you to make money through affiliate marketing in Nigeria, there are several things you could do. Get more knowledge, put in the effort. This is a business that works, and if you put in the efforts, it's just like the biblical principle of sowing and reaping. Right? The Bible says that as long as the earth endures, it says lots of things. But it says sowing and reaping. If you plant the seeds, you will definitely reap the results and the harvest. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.